Optimize surface modeling functions. In Z3D 2021, there are two main improvements for surface modeling. First, the new cross-trim command allows you to trim multiple cross faces by one step. Second, the G2 blend option has been added to fillet and blend face commands. This is the surface of a kettle. You can directly pick some crossed faces to be trimmed. Then, select the regions to be reserved, or you can also select the ones to be removed. After clicking OK, other unneeded regions will be trimmed. In this way, trimming surface is more efficient. Let's take a look at a 3D model of a wireless earbud. We're adding a fillet to it. A new G2 option is available in cross-section type. You can adjust the weight of the two sides to change the fillet's shape. Let's check the quality of the fillet. You can see that the zebra stripes of the fillet are tangent. In this way, you can get a smoother surface